Hey, the Gadget Man here with nothing but gadgets, and today I'm going to be showing you this Maono USB PC studio style microphone set. So 3, 2, 1, let's get at it. Alright guys, so Maono sent me this microphone to test out and show you how it works. And so that's what we're going to do. So first thing, let's break it out of the box and see what they sent. Okay, so let's open the box. We got our little user manual here. Little card. Our little windsock here. Our pop filter. Okay. Get out our boom arm. Looks nice. Got our USB connection cable here. Our microphone. Smaller than I expected, but it looks nice. And our mount. What else we got? Our clamp system here. Alright, well, I will go ahead and hook this baby up and we'll start doing some testing on it and we'll see what she does. Alright, so now I have it set up here. You know, I've just got it clamped here to a chair because I don't have a real lip on my table that I can clamp it to. So I just clamped it right here. I've got the USB cable run up here. It's tied on with some Velcro ties that they provided in the box. Goes down over here to my laptop, which I'm recording the audio with right now. And the audio you are hearing right now is coming from the microphone, okay? So let me talk about the microphone a little bit here. It is a Cardioid microphone, which means that it records audio from this side of the microphone and it doesn't really pick up any sound from that side, okay? Now, on the front of the microphone, which I will show you here in a minute, but for the sake of you hearing what I'm saying, I'm going to keep it pointed at me. On the front of the microphone, it has a light which turns red when you've got the microphone off and green when it's on. Now, there's a button on there to turn the microphone on and off, okay? It also has a headphones jack, which you can plug your headphones into the microphone, and I currently have my AudioVox headset plugged in right here. This is a professional recording headset, okay? And when you plug the headphones into the jack, here it actually allows you to hear yourself as you're talking. So I can hear the recording that I'm doing through the headphones. So that comes with the microphone. It's USB. When you plug it in, it installs two drivers. It installs a speaker driver, which allows you to hear through the headphones that's plugged into the microphone, and a microphone driver. Okay. Now, you don't have to use that. You can plug it into your laptop. You can plug your headphones into your laptop, but you're not going to hear that immediate feedback of what you're recording there. All right? So that's one good feature of this. Now, it is, as I said, it's a Cardioid microphone. So I'm going to show you how that works. I'm going to go ahead and turn it around so you can see the light and the button and the headphone jack on it. But as I do that and I keep talking, you're going to notice that my voice is going to fade out. So I'm just going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and you can still hear me, but it's not very clear because it's picking up a reflection where the sound is bouncing off of the objects. Okay, so you see the light there, and then there's the button, and I can turn the microphone. Now I turn it back on, so you couldn't hear anything when I had the microphone off. And that's pretty much it. And then you see the red light. So the red light tells you it's off. That way, you don't get fooled. And also tells you that you're on the right side of the microphone. Okay. Now, the one thing the microphone doesn't have is an onboard volume control, which allows you to change the volume of how loud it is, the recording. Now, I have found with this microphone, I need to be about 12 inches from it to really pick up good. If I get further and further and further away, you can hear that the audio's not quite as clear and everything. But if I get really close like this, then it actually is a lot better. Okay, so that's good. You just need to know that. And there's no way to actually increase the volume of the recording here. You have to do that on your computer in the software. And right now I have it set to maximum in the software that I'm using to record this with. So it cannot get any louder than it actually is. And I'm about 12 inches away from the microphone. And I'm kind of a loud person. I do talk loud. Now let me give you another example of some quality, the quality of the audio, so that you can compare this with. Now I'm using the Sony a6500 mirrorless camera to record this video with, and I have a Rode Video Micro on-camera microphone that's actually on the camera right now, and it's recording the same audio. So right now what I'm going to do is, to give you a comparison, is switch over to the audio from the microphone, that's the Rode Video microphone that's on my camera. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the audio you're hearing is from the Rode Video Micro. And so you can kind of compare that to what you've been listening to this whole time to give you an idea of the quality of the audio of this versus that. Now I can't hear that, so I'll hear it later on as I do the editing of the video. But what matters is whether you think it's better or worse or whatever. Now the Rode Video microphone is one of the most popular microphones used by YouTubers. And so a lot of the audio that you hear on YouTube channels from different YouTubers is going to be recorded by that microphone. So it's a high quality microphone that people use on the camera, and a lot of professional people use that microphone. So it's a good quality, and that gives you a comparison. So I'm going to switch back to this microphone right here, and now you hear the audio from this microphone and not the Rode Video Micro. So it kind of gives you an idea of what kind of quality of audio there is. Well, that's about all I can show you about this. You can set it up. It's pretty easy. It's not hard. The main thing about this is the quality of the audio and what I've showed you about it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have, please like, subscribe, and comment. Help me grow the Nothing But Gadgets channel by sharing my videos and my channel on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever you have out there. Remember, this product and the other products talked about in this video will be in the description of the video underneath it. Just click on the show more to see those. And this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.